Are you tired of struggling with IBS and want to finally get relief? Then this video is for you. We'll share with you the 6 simple steps to healing from IBS naturally, using foods that are safe for you and the rest of your family. After following these steps, you'll finally be able to live a healthy life without pain and without struggling with IBS daily. Now, let's move on to our first step. Step number 1. Make changes to your diet. First, let's review what food we should try to eliminate from our diet. The first change you need to make in your routine diet is to cut all the gluten products rich in grains such as wheat, cereals, bread, and pasta. Gluten products cause inflammation in the small intestine that could lead to the symptoms of IBS. Avoiding gluten or adding gluten-free products to your diet can help lessen these symptoms. Similarly, you should avoid all regular dairy products, such as milk, butter, and cheese. These products are more prone to cause inflammation in the gut lining and ultimately cause diarrhea and IBS. You can replace them with fermented dairy. The next things you should try to eliminate from your diet are hydrogenated oils, which can cause inflammation, cold foods, such as ice creams and cakes, and raw food, such as raw fruits and vegetables, which are hard on the digestive system. Obviously, stay away also from processed, refined, and packaged food. Try to eliminate each one of them separately, or even all of them for a while, and check how you feel. Listen to your body, as this is the most important thing. Now, let's get to know the foods you should add to your diet while treating IBS naturally at home that really helps nourish your gut and spleen. Add a precise amount of fiber to your diet. Fiber is an important natural nutrient for gut health. It is the primary source of energy for the cells lining the colon, ensuring their continued viability. Fiber aids digestion by promoting frequent, smooth bowel motions. It helps keep things moving along smoothly and prevents constipation. The recommended daily fiber intake is about 25 grams for women and up to 38 grams for men, which in simple words, taking 1 cup of cooked beans for women and 1.5 cups for men. Good sources of fiber include fruit, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and nuts. If you're not used to eating a lot of fiber, start gradually increasing your intake to avoid gas and bloating. Stop the fiber intake if you think it's causing any irritation or leading to indigestion. Add white foods to your diet, such as garlic, cauliflower, and onions, as garlic and onions kill bad bacteria and boost your immunity. Cauliflower, especially when it's steamed, is very easy to digest. Increase the intake of foods rich in probiotics and bacteria that help promote regular digestion. This includes miso soup, sauerkraut, tempeh, or some yogurt. The other group of foods that are very healthy for your spleen is from the squash family, like sweet butternut squash and spaghetti squash. Adding bone broths and soups made out of it to your diet is another great thing to heal your IBS without medication. Bone broths contain glycerin, proline, and amino acids, which make up deficiencies in the intestinal lining and prepare it to work normally. In order to make it, you can easily get a crock pot and add some organic meat in, along with bones and some vegetables like onions, carrots, celery, and squash in there. You should add this bone broth to every diet of yours. Step number 2. Take the necessary supplements. If you are following dietary changes and not getting the expected results, you can add some major supplements to your diet. The major problem with these supplements is that almost 90% of them are dead by the time they're being used. So make sure to add live prebiotic supplements that contain Lactobacillus plantarum or any other soil-based one like Bacillus subtilis that helps support the natural growth of good bacteria. You can have other good forms of probiotics that actually support the growth of the bacteria like medicinal mushrooms or spirulina. They will help you to step forward towards speedy recovery from IBS naturally. For more specific recommendations, check out the links in the description below. Another great supplement that you should add to your diet is L-glutamine because it helps protect and nourish the gut lining. It is a protein present in foods such as lentils and spinach and is also available as a powder. A study of 106 persons with IBS-D found that taking dietary glutamine supplements safely decreased all major IBS-related symptoms over the course of 8 weeks. The report was published online in May 2019 by the journal Gut. Also, try to add frankincense essential oil supplements to your diet because it also reduces inflammation and is great for the gut and digestive enzymes. Step number 3. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is important for overall health, but it's especially important if you suffer from IBS. People with IBS-D characterized by mainly diarrheal symptoms are more likely to experience dehydration due to their increased frequency of diarrhea, and may need to consume additional fluids and electrolytes to keep their bodies hydrated. People with IBS-C characterized by a tendency of constipation require additional water to facilitate the movement of stool through the intestines. When properly hydrated, your stool is softer and easier to pass. Aim to drink up to 8 glasses of water per day. Consume at least 1 cup of liquid every time you have a bowel movement when you have diarrhea. You can also get hydrated by eating water-rich fruits and vegetables like cucumbers, watermelon, tomatoes, and grapes. Step number 4. Exercise regularly. Exercise has numerous benefits for gut health. It helps relieve stress and reduces inflammation. Physical activity has improved irritable bowel syndrome symptoms by reducing stress, which is a major trigger of IBS and helps in digestion. Irritable bowel syndrome patients report less severe symptoms after engaging in physical activity, according to a study from 2011. However, a lack of exercise was linked to worse IBS symptoms. Over 4,700 adults participated in a survey that evaluated the frequency and severity of IBS and other GI illnesses and their level of physical activity. According to the findings, inactive adults were shown to be at a higher risk for IBS than their more active counterparts. A moderate exercise routine is best, but too much of it can actually aggravate IBS symptoms. Try 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. If you're stepping into physical activities as a beginner, then walking is the best exercise you can start with. It helps in the digestion of food and improves bowel movements. You can start with 15 minutes of regular walking and increase it for up to 1 hour daily. You can also try jogging, biking, and gym workouts like weightlifting or other heavy exercises. Swimming is another great physical activity if you know how to swim. If you can't go to the gym or don't know how to swim, just try some regular exercises at home like squats, planks, or some commendable body stretches like bridge and supine twist. Step number 5. Reduce stress levels. Stress is a common cause and trigger for IBS symptoms. If you're stressed, try relaxation techniques to reduce stress levels. You can practice many stress-relieving techniques daily to get rid of this major root cause of IBS and many other diseases. The first technique you should try is to meditate. During meditation, you learn to concentrate on the present moment and still the racing thoughts that may be causing you tension. The mental and physical health benefits of meditation are often cited together because it promotes a state of inner tranquility and equilibrium. Whether you're out for a stroll, on the bus to work, or waiting at the physician's office, guided meditation can be done anywhere, at any time. As an additional option, you can practice deep breathing anywhere. You might also want to try Tai Chi to help reduce stress and promote gut health. The age-old practice of yoga is one of the most efficient ways to combine the benefits of physical activity and mindfulness training. In addition, research suggests it may also be useful in treating IBS. This approach centers on self-control of the mind and body to effect a positive change that benefits your health. Since irritable bowel syndrome is linked to psychological and physiological discord, yoga is a proven treatment. You can practice yoga on your own, or you can join a local class. In particular, slower movements of hatha yoga also make it an effective stress reliever. Difficulty sleeping is a common side effect of stress that causes IBS. Lack of sleep is a common result of having too much on your plate. However, sleep is when your mind and body get their energy back. Moreover, your disposition, vitality, focus, and general effectiveness can all be influenced by the quantity and quality of sleep you obtain. If you have difficulties sleeping, try establishing a calm, relaxing routine before bedtime, such as listening to calming music, turning off electronics, stopping eating 2 hours before bedtime, and keeping to a regular sleep schedule. Increased caffeine intake can also cause stress and is a major cause of IBS. Overconsumption makes your mind hyperactive and causes you major problems and difficulty sleeping. So limiting the intake of caffeine can save you from all these issues and help relieve your stress and anxiety following IBS. Step number 6. Use herbal remedies. Several herbs can help relieve IBS symptoms naturally. Peppermint oil is one of the most well-known herbal remedies for IBS. It has been shown to relieve abdominal pain and bloat effectively. A recent meta-analysis that was published in January 2019 in the journal BMC Complementary Medicine and Therapies searched 12 separate trials that took place on 3 different continents and found that taking a peppermint oil capsule regularly with meal options helped reduce IBS symptoms such as abdominal pain, indigestion, bloating, and other digestive problems. Chamomile tea can also help reduce stress levels and promote relaxation. Teas prepared from the leaves of berries such as blueberry, blackberry, or raspberry include tannins, which have anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce inflammation. The symptoms of IBS-D could be alleviated by drinking these teas. Other helpful herbs include ginger, fennel, licorice root, and turmeric. You can find many of these herbs in the supplement form at your local health food store. These 6 tips can help you heal your IBS naturally and finally get some relief from those annoying symptoms. Remember to start slowly with any new dietary or lifestyle changes, and always consult your doctor or physician before starting any new supplement regimen. With a little time and effort, you'll be on your way to feeling better than ever. With this, I'm sure you're now well versed in some amazing yet easy tips to cure IBS naturally at home, and we should wrap it up here. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video to show your support and love for our channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss more informative daily videos about what matters most to you. Comment down below your feedback and thoughts about this video. We look forward to your comments and we'll try to reply to them all. Check out these videos to keep caring for your body, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care!